Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I thought of telling you guys about this Foxtale Retinol Night Serum. This serum from Foxtale, I've been using it for the longest time. I used to use this retinol serum now and then. I used to finish one bottle of this and then I'll move on to some other serums like salicylic acid or niacinamide at night, and then I will come back after 2 or 3 months. I'll come back to this retinol serum. So I've been consistently using this right now after opening this bottle. It's been like more than 3 weeks I'm using this retinol serum, this bottle. So I think this is the right time to talk to you guys. If you are interested in watching such videos, then please do subscribe and continue watching this. So this is the Foxtale's Retinol Night Serum. This has a 0.15% retinol in it. It claims to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and makes the skin firmer. So this is basically for someone who are looking for anti-aging serum. If you are over 25 plus and you are seeing a tiny bits of wrinkles and fine lines on your foreheads or near your eyes, around your mouth, then you should definitely start using this retinol, because this is something that will prevent and also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and that is what retinol serum is supposed to do. So this Foxtale serum comes in this beautiful, colorful, dark blue packaging. This is a plastic bottle and it has a pump attached to it. The pump dispenses the right amount of the product. Apart from all the skincare products I have used, I love Foxtale's packaging because this is so colorful. Like, see, all of the products are very colorful. It makes my vanity more colorful rather than this black and white, so basic serum bottles. This makes it so fun and colorful to use. The black and whites kind of reminds me of medical labs, science experiments and something serious, but this one is playful. So yeah. And talking about the pump in this serum bottle, it dispenses the right amount of product. Any Foxtale products that comes in this kind of packaging dispenses the right amount of product. Just one pump is enough for your entire face. By the way, this video is not at all sponsored, you guys. Foxtale don't even know me, so please be assured this is an honest and a personal opinion of me using this serum. So now let's come to the ingredients of it, the key ingredients or the hero ingredients of this product, which is the 0.15% retinol, which I think is a beginner friendly retinol. It also has a betaine. Betaine acts as a humectant and a calming agent to the skin, just like glycerin. And we have a cocoa butter, which highly moisturizes and nourishes the skin. So these are the three main or hero ingredients present in this serum. So now let's move on to the application, the most exciting part, isn't it? Let me come closer so that you can see me better. Alright, this is my bare skin. I have not applied anything on my skin right now. I just washed it with some cleanser and that's it. So now let's move on to the application. So this is one pump, just one pump, and this is exactly how much you need. So this feels like cocoa butter. The color feels like cocoa butter, isn't it? Yeah. The consistency of this serum is lightweight. It blends so easily into the skin. It is not oily. For all the oily skin girls out there, if you are looking for retinol, then definitely get this one, because this is just perfect for oily skin. I'll tell you why. Wait till the end of the video. Yeah, that's it. A single pump is enough for my face, but if you need more, you can take a little bit extra. See, that's it. It's blended already. It got absorbed into my skin. I love this serum because of its texture. It is so lightweight, blends easily into the skin within a minute, I believe. I did not edit this clip. You can see the real timing of me blending this serum into my skin. I love how it blends so easily into the skin, gets absorbed very quickly into the skin, and most importantly, it is not greasy or oily or heavy, and I have an oily skin and I have problems with the serums that are oily, greasy or overly moisturizing, while this one is just perfect. Even the moisturization that it gives is just perfect. If you have oily skin, then you can just apply this retinol serum at night time and dose off. If you have dry skin to very dry skin or normal skin, then you can apply a moisturizer on top of it. Foxtale have also claimed that you cannot see purging while using this serum, and that is very true in my case. I did not see purging at all when I used this serum. If you are going to use the retinol for the very first time, then use it for twice a week and see how your skin performs, and then gradually increase to thrice or 4 times a week. The price of this product is 30 ml for 599 rupees, which I think is very well priced. And I absolutely enjoy using this retinol serum, mainly because it has no purging, no greasiness, no oiliness, no heaviness, just perfect for all skin types, especially oily skin girls. If you are dry or very dry skin, then don't forget to apply a moisturizer on top of it, and never skip your sunscreen if you are using retinol at night time. Never skip your sunscreen in the morning. So that's it guys, I will leave the link in right here, not in the description, right here in the video. Click here and it will take you to the purchase page. Until then, next time, take care.